welcome to our second screencast on 2.1 algorithm. We are looking at two searches that you need to know for GCSE. Linear search, you are checking each item one after the other. Binary search, you need to use an ordered list, and if the list is ordered, there is a trick to make the search a lot faster. We start with binary search, so we got to be in order, and we start in the midpoint of our list, and we're going to look at whether the value we're searching for is below, less than that midpoint, or higher than that midpoint. So this is what it looks like. In this example, we're looking for the number 9, and the midpoint is going to be here. So that's our midpoint. It's more than 9, so we're interested in the left-hand side, the lowest half of our list. That means we can discard the other half. So all those numbers in red, we're just going to remove them from the list. And then we start again. This is still an ordered list. We go to the midpoint. More than. So this time we're going to keep the rightmost half of our list. And we're going to discard the leftmost part of the list. And this time, the midpoint is the number we are looking for. We can stop. If you do carry on studying computer science at A level, you will learn to measure how much faster this type of search is compared to the linear search, which we're going to do now, when we are going to check everything one after the other. But remember, than the binary search, the data must be in order. If the data is not in order, you cannot use that method. Now the linear search, we're just going to start at the start of a list, and we're going to check every single value until we find it. We're looking for 102, which is over here. Let's see what the linear search does. 65, the first element. It's not 102, so we move on to the next one. And we carry on until we find 102, and then we stop. And we finish with a comparison between binary and linear, and this you need to know and have that in your vein, because you could be asked questions about this in your final, not an exam this year, but whatever final test we'll be doing to assess how well you've done these 2 years. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing the work you do in the classroom after you've been watching these flipped videos at home.